Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use Kayak for business travel? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So what you can do in order for you to go ahead and travel in business class is go ahead and select flight, and when you've done that, you need to simply go ahead and select which location you want to head to. And now down here, simply go ahead and click on business right over here and just click on search. Once you've done that, it's going to show you all the business class flights right over here, and you can just select any one that you prefer and just book it yourself. And that is about it. Or the second thing what you can try to do is simply go ahead into packages, and on packages what you want to do is simply go ahead and select from where you're headed. So for example, there you go. And now if I want to simply go ahead and select how many people, just one, and there you go. I'm going to get both the flight and hotels bookings, as you can see. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.